In this video, we're going to be walking through the categories in the style inspiration box and what each of them means and how you can use them. So here I am. Again, this is on the mobile view of the web app, and you can, at any time, use either the web app or the desktop to work on your project. You can access the same project, and you can upload from your desktop or your mobile device. You can even upload from other cameras that you might have using your desktop or your mobile device, your phone, directly to Rav.ai and start making edit notes or directly submit. So here we are in the style inspiration box. I just have uploaded some media. And so once I upload media, the style inspiration box pops up and I can tag an inspiration link here, paste it there. I can choose my platform. So for giggles, I'll choose Instagram. And now in the style inspiration box, we see select template if applicable. Now, template is a bit of a misleading word. This is really the category of video that you're looking to have edited. And the reason that these categories exist is because based off of the type of video content that you're looking to have edited, there's different features that are going to be pulled from that video. For instance, a conference usually includes many people sitting on a lounge setting, so a conference oftentimes includes a chair on a stage or multiple chairs on a stage where multiple people are speaking to each other. And so the edit is optimized for making sure each of those people has equal speaking time, or the most exciting speaker does. And each of their faces is also captured and zoomed in on in the footage. The next category here is drone. Drone is very different from a conference. A drone, you often have an aerial view of a landscape setting, and you want to be able to capture the times within that content that's the most exciting or the most engaging for your viewers. So we can skip through a few of these. How to is a very popular selection for what I've done in this series about how to use the Rav.ai app, because every video that I've been producing is a how-to category. Podcast, you can choose to have your visual podcast edited. Actually, for all of these videos, I've been capturing my screen using Zoom or the internal recording feature on my phone. We make it super easy using Rav.ai to create your own podcast by using Zoom. So the host and all of your guests can sign in using Zoom. You can have a Zoom meeting, and as you're recording that meeting, once you're finished, you simply upload that to Rav.ai, and from there, Rav.ai will optimize it for the social media channel of your selection. Product is another big category for us. A lot of folks are creating videos optimized for advertisement for YouTube or for TikTok, even and especially Instagram for e-commerce products. So you can capture video, and the filters that are used, the color grading that's used is going to be optimized not for faces, but for enhancing the view of the product in the video itself. Real estate, another big category for us. When you're walking through a real estate, many times you have your phone not in portrait, but in landscape. And you also are capturing a ton of footage as you're walking through the house. You want to make sure that the motion is consistent, that there's always a correct pan or tilt that's captured throughout the video to make it feel smooth and luxurious often. And you want to make sure that the most important elements of the environment of the house are actually captured. And so real estate enables you to be able to do that. You can also edit your virtual meeting. And so this is different from podcast in that if you have a virtual meeting and you want the highlights of the meeting to be captured so that you can send it internally. Now, maybe you do want to post this on your YouTube channel or on your LinkedIn channel. And in the case that you do want to post this on your LinkedIn channel, you would choose YouTube as the type of video that you want this formatted for. YouTube and LinkedIn both have similar resolution requirements and optimizations, and they both actually are in landscape mode. So if you want to create a video for LinkedIn, you can go ahead and select YouTube, and the video will be optimized for LinkedIn. Now, not to get too far off track, but LinkedIn uses thumbnails in the first couple of seconds. So if you want to drop an edit note in any of your footage saying, use this scene for the first 2 seconds of my footage, so that's used for the thumbnail. When someone's scrolling through the LinkedIn profile, they'll see that. Then you can actually drop that edit note in, and the platform will do that for you. Vlog, I have an example where I've used where we edited vlog in this series. So if you want to see how to and vlog, watch this series on how to use Rav.ai. Watch the full video sequence, and I go through how to use these categories. Sports, whether or not you are capturing a race, or you're capturing a game, soccer, basketball, football, or you're looking to push out material on yourself as a professional athlete or aspiring professional athlete, capture yourself dunking, capture yourself getting the ball over the net, and Rav.ai will make you look super cool, will amplify and enhance that video so that you look like LeBron James, Nadal, Serena. All right, so brick and mortar, what I'll mention about that is that many times folks want to create a quick walkthrough of the restaurant or of the retail center. They may want to provide an update on that space as well as new inventory is coming in, and you can optimize your video for that. Very big on online courses, whether you're building something for Kajabi or Teachable, or you're launching a new coaching course, you're able to optimize your advertisements from your long form content using Rav.ai. And if you want to use Rav.ai to create 10-minute sequences that you merge into larger videos, you can also use Rav.ai for that. One of the huge benefits of our pricing plan is that it's subscription based, and we credit you for any videos that are unused. So say, for instance, you want to use Rav.ai to create a Kajabi course. Well, you could actually front load all of your videos for your courses. If you want to create 10 videos for your course, you could front load all of those videos, those larger sequences, and you can have Rav.ai produce Instagram ads for your course as well. So no longer do you have to work with a video editor. You could actually use another course or some of your previous courses as the inspiration link, and then optimize using that material for your entire course content, both the content and the ads that you use, because of course you need ads to sell your course and to scale it up using Rav.ai. No video editor needed, no social media manager needed. Well, you can use a social media manager. We love social media managers. And Rav.ai will handle all that for you, so you can focus only on course content and creating course content. Now, religious service, also huge. Every church today needs to have a digital component, and whether you're a church or a temple, or no matter what religion, if you're a teacher and you have a service where you are teaching your congregants, you are preaching a message, you need to be doing it in a way that's optimized for audiences in the 21st century. And that includes having a social media channel. Many churches are actually social media first and then brick and mortar second. And that's an increasingly popular strategy. If you're going to be producing content for the web and for social media in particular, you need to be optimizing that video content for your congregants and for your followers. And Rav.ai enables you to do that. Now, if you are creating a testimonial for a product, again, Instagram ad, YouTube ad, Rav.ai optimizes that for faces, optimizes that for color grading, that appears natural, that appears neutral, soft. That's optimized for that particular type of video. Now, you may say, well, I'm producing one of these video categories, but I don't necessarily want it optimized for that category. I want it optimize for my inspiration link, or I want to optimize for my previous posts. Feel free not to select a category at all. It's not required. And you can still submit all of your content. Now, this is a view of how Rav.ai looks on a mobile device. This is an iPhone 10. We're compatible across all iPhones, all Android devices, all browsers, whether it's Brave, Chrome, Safari, Firefox. Rav.ai works across all web browsers, both on your desktop and on your mobile device. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you a little bit more about the layout on mobile devices and how to use Rav.ai on the web browser on a phone. Little preview. It's almost exactly the same as using it on a desktop. All right, so if you want to check that out, meet me in the next video.